Hello everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription. If you're enjoying my work, please do hit that subscribe button. It is a huge help for the channel. Now today we are delving into something that I think is going to be relatively easy for you guys to play, but a nice piece of guitar history, and if you're interested in studying different genres, this is going to be an important one. So today we are looking at the inimitable Don Rich. Don Rich was one of the early influential country players. I mean, not too early, but the Bakersfield sound that Don was a big part of with guys like Buck Owens was an incredibly important movement in country music, taking the sound away from the popular sound that was happening in Nashville, which is lots of sickly sweet strings over everything. This was considered pretty rock and roll at the time. It sounds like old country now, but it's incredibly important. And Don's playing isn't too challenging to get your head around. You can totally imitate this sound. It's Telecaster, it's bridge pickup, and it's playing with authority and confidence. It's not going to be too technically challenging like something Brent Mason might have put out or Albert Lee might have put out, but it's really important if you're going to look into a genre, if you're going to start to understand how to play a particular genre, that you have a wide understanding of that genre, not just the technical players, but the really influential players. So guys like Don Rich or Roy Nichols, who of course played with Mel Haggard. Now, I totally think that you're going to be able to play this. If you enjoy it, let me know in that comment section below. Maybe consider checking out one of my country books. I have lots of them available. This is a clip from, I think this was from Hee Haw, the TV show. There's lots of great clips of Don playing on Hee Haw with Buck Owens, and there are plenty of great recordings out there. Of course, go and check out the Buck Owens group live at Carnegie Hall. I forget the exact name of the record, but that's really nice. When you hear that record, the thing that really grabs me about Don's playing is not just his playing. Of course, Don was really well known for his voice. He was a great singer, and his harmonies with Buck Owens were just absolutely wonderful. Anyway, no vocals on this one, just an instrumental. Check it out.